Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve customer support with Zendesk, full guide step by step clearly. To improve customer support with Zendesk, start by creating a Zendesk account. Visit the Zendesk website and select the plan that suits your business needs. Complete the registration process by filling in your company details and creating a password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Zendesk dashboard. Explore the various features available, such as ticketing, knowledge base, and chat options. Set up your ticketing system by customizing ticket fields. Define the necessary information you want to collect for each support request. Configure your email settings to ensure all customer inquiries are converted into tickets automatically. Organize your ticket workflow by setting up triggers and automations for efficient response times. Create predefined responses for common queries to save time for your support team. Integrate real-time chat features to facilitate instant communication with customers. Utilize Zendesk's knowledge base to create an informative help center. Encourage customers to self-serve by providing FAQs, guides, and troubleshooting tips. Train your team on how to use Zendesk effectively. Ensure they understand ticket management and how to access customer information quickly. Utilize reporting tools to track performance metrics and analyze support trends. Regularly review these metrics to identify areas for improvement. Collect and analyze customer feedback through surveys after ticket resolution. Implement changes based on this feedback to enhance the customer experience. Stay updated with Zendesk's features and new releases to continuously improve your support system. Foster a customer-centric culture within your organization to enhance collaboration and service quality. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your customer support operations using Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.